Hi, to reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 via recovery mode, as a first step, take USB to Type-C cable and connect it to your laptop or a PC, and at the end, just plug in your phone like this. And now we need to turn it off by pressing power and volume down buttons at the same time till you could see this part of menu on the screen. From here, tap 2 times on power off icon and wait a few seconds till the phone will vibrate and be completely turned off. And right now, we need to hold combination of power and volume up buttons. But once you see Samsung logo appears on the screen, you need to release power button but continue holding volume up. So let's try this out. I'm gonna hold those two buttons together and release power button. And we just continue holding volume up, and this is recovery mode. At this point you can unplug the cable. And now we need to find option wipe data and factory reset. For that, use your volume down button to go through this list. And here it is. So, if you want to factory reset the phone, you need to confirm it by pressing your power button. And after that, all of your data will be erased and you'll need to set up this phone again. So let's press power button to confirm and use volume down button to access factory data reset option and confirm that this action cannot be undone. Now, after a few seconds, you need to select reboot system now by pressing power button like that, and then wait a few seconds. So your phone will turn off and then turn back on, and you need to set it up again. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.